Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. Begin by simply plugging your wired USB keyboard and mouse into the available USB ports on your Xbox console. For wireless devices, connect their dedicated USB dongle. Your Xbox should recognize most standard peripherals, allowing you to use them almost immediately for supported games. It is crucial to understand that support for keyboard and mouse depends entirely on the specific Roblox experience you are playing. Not all developers enable these alternative input methods within their games. Before jumping in, check the experience's description or in-game settings menu for confirmation. This will save you time and ensure a smoother gameplay experience. If you encounter any issues, first check your Xbox's system settings under Devices and Connections to confirm your peripherals are recognized. Then, once inside the Roblox experience, look for a dedicated Settings or Controls menu to fine-tune your keybinds and mouse sensitivity. Sometimes, simply restarting your console can resolve minor connection glitches or unresponsiveness. For the best experience, always make sure your keyboard and mouse firmware is current, updating them via a computer if needed. Wired peripherals often provide a more reliable and low-latency connection, which is crucial for competitive play. With precise mouse aiming and dedicated keybinds, you will notice significantly improved control and immersion across many Roblox experiences, making your gameplay more enjoyable and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.